Italians have been playing football for over 5 decades. We're talking real football, American football, not soccer. Hi, I'm Jessica Sanderson, spokesperson for the Ferrara Aquile. Ferrara was founded in 1979 and are one of the 5 original founding teams in Italy. For the past 35 years, the club has represented the city with a proud and storied tradition. The Aquile is a family affair. There has been generations of players throughout time. The club includes youth programs, cheerleaders, and a senior level group. We even have a women's tackle team. Funding for football clubs outside of America is difficult. While the sport's popularity has risen in recent years around the globe, soccer is still king. 2 years ago, the Aquile began a project to make the club one of the elite organizations in Italy. This has included new practice facilities, locker rooms, and game field. The new stadium already has 2 side sections completed, but we need your help to complete the center section. Your funding will enable the Aquile to complete an important milestone in its history. It is a very inspiring project which will allow current and future generations to play in a modern environment.